Welcome back to Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18. Now, let's move on and talk about the latest data that has come in from AMFI. The mutual fund industry seems like it's reflecting a bit of a dip that has come in terms of the equity inflows. SIP contribution, nonetheless, have seen or maintained the 26,000 around that mark, what their trade, they have been at in the last few months. Surabhi is here to get us more details on this front. Afternoon, Surabhi. Interesting data, right? Equity inflows seeing a dip. SIP contribution remains healthy, though.
Well, it's a bit of a sobering reality for mutual fund inflows in the month of May. And this is not just May alone. We've seen this pattern build from February of this year. And increasingly, month after month, the net inflows coming into equity funds have dipped. Now that level has come down to a sobering reality of 18,995. So imagine this, from a peak of close to 41,000 crores that we were getting every month in equity funds. Now we're just under 19,000 crores. And this is also, the May figure is the lowest inflow figure since April 2024. So this is kind of showing up across categories. Large cap funds, the inflows have halved. I mean, this time we've seen just an inflow of about 1,250 crores. Even mid and small caps, relatively better than what we've seen in the large cap category. But even there, month on month, the dip is between 15% to about 20% in the inflows. For the small cap, the category has got the largest inflow. I mean, if you're looking at the three capitalization categories this month, at around 3,214 crores. The good news is that there's been some revival in new fund offerings, NFOs, because of which we have seen the total inflow via the NFO route go back above the 4,000 crore rupee mark. Remember, at the peak, when we were getting 40,000 crores every month, a lot of that money was coming through the NFO route. And that has been petering off as the market got extremely volatile. The silver lining, yes, as you rightly said, it's SIP. So investors are still keeping the faith in systematic investment plans. And that number is rock steady. No problems there. 26,688, so almost knocking at the doorsteps of 26,700 crores. The overall industry AUM continues to inch higher as well. And it has crossed over 72 lakh crores at 72.19 to be precise. In a summary, equity inflows have come down. Market volatility has played a part. But investors are keeping the faith on the long-term journey with those SIPs.
Okay, Surabhi, thank you so much for that. So keep an eye out on the mutual fund data that's just come in for the month of May.